Don't state the obvious. Don't state the obvious at all. Many people state the obvious who I know, who I've met. And the moment you awaken, and you do awaken, many different degrees of awakening, and you think you're in the wrong country, it's just the wrong people. Wrong people in the wrong country. And then it starts to make sense. Subtropical climate, miserable people. They put the labels, psychopath, empath. Who is a true one? You can tell. You can see the difference. You spot it. Superficial people state the obvious. That's the first sign. They love joining into groups, trends, say everything what they're supposed to say, and it becomes really tiresome. It becomes so exasperating. No, not exasperating. I won't be fooled by that. Exasperation is more by someone who is the opposite. I'm not filled with hate. I'll swear at someone, I'll yell at them, but I'm not thinking over in my mind. People used to tell me they used to visualize. They used to visualize things that they would do on someone. I never did. I'm not much of a visionary. You know what I mean? I looked in the mirror one time. I'd often stare like that. And different things would happen. Different things would reveal. You know? Different things would reveal itself. Facial expressions revealing your true side, your emotional side. Losing my temper is just easy road. Easy, easy. That's another thing. Life gives you lemons. You take the lemon juice. 8 times more vitamin C than an orange, apparently. And it took 50 to 60 years for people to embrace that limes were good for you, apparently.